the Kraken!
We have the Ronin 8.8 swap kit. In this portion, we're only making up the swap axles with the provided CV shafts and the CV boot kits. The CV boot kits come with the new boots, clamps, grease, and some of the circlips. Some of the circlips have to be reused from the donor axles. The CV boot band tool we use is a KD3955. I will put some information on these kits in the description. The Mazda donor axles should be from the vehicle that is getting the swap, and the Ford donor axles should be from the vehicle that the 8.8 was sourced from, at least in my case. The Ford inners will be for the connection to the 8.8, and the Mazda outers will be for the connection to the RX-7 hubs. So, Ford axles and Mazda axles to make new axles.
Round 1.
This is the Mazda shaft. Taking the bands off the CV boots. As using the Ronin 8.8 instructions, force from a hammer works.
My speaker's going with hammer. Blammer, blammer, blammer.
It does indeed work.
You got it. Okay.
There are proper removal tools for this, of course. The other side came off when I was taking it off the car. The Ford inner, removing the CV boot clamps. The end of the shaft has a circlip that holds the bearing from sliding off.
Get behind it. Now get behind it. From the, yep. No, yeah, that works. And then work it around. Pry up and work it around like that way. Yep. Perfect. Perfect.
Ooh.
Hit me in the forehead.
It did, huh? I thought it was flying over you.
This has to be removed to take the bearing off. A pair of circlip pliers would work, but we may do without. A pulley is using the instructions, but we also may do without one. The Ford inner goes in one way, chamfered towards the inside. Tapping with a hammer gets it on the shaft. The CV boot kits come with a new circlip to secure the bearing. The Ford side is now ready for the boot and the small band. The Mazda side has a slot to reuse a circlip from the donor axle. The Mazda circlip is being transferred to the new shaft. The instructions show a deep socket used to install the clip. We did without. On the second go around, we did use a socket though. Another circlip goes on the end. This was supplied with the kit. The Mazda outer can be tapped on with a hammer. It is now ready for grease and clamps.
So nice, we do it twice.
The first axle is made up and on to the next one.
Round 2.
That's it.
That's that. Axles are ready to install. Thanks to Joel Payne and his team from Ronin Speedworks for supplying the kit and instructions. And thanks to Josh with WFO for helping me put this together.